What's going down, YouTube? Shoot, today I went to the car store. I don't know if it's too local. It's like, for me, it's about a 45-minute drive depending on the traffic. Today the traffic was no good. No good at all. But I drove there, and to be honest, I maybe should have called before I went. I wanted to get the new Gypsy Queen. They didn't have it. And then so I figured I'd get something 2016 product, but all they had for 2016 football was classics. So I had to get this. I had to get the playbook. I love the playbook. I've been in live group box breaks where they just had monster pulls out of this, and so I just had to get it. Had to get it. And so we gonna see what's going on in here. Hopefully we get something super nice. I don't slice the top of the box like that, cause I use the box. I decorate the wall back here with all the hobby boxes that there's some blaster boxes, different boxes that I've opened throughout the time, and I decorate the wall in my little, whatever you want to call this, my man cave, my office, and I open them up, thumbtack them to the wall, and they fit up there nice. You get one base playbook, one autograph or memorabilia booklet, and one additional autograph or memorabilia card on average. So there's not much in here. It's one pack, 3 cards in this pack. This doesn't seem like it's nothing too huge at all. It never seems too big. It's a very little pack. Should be a short video, but I've drug it out. Okay. So let's see what we got. We got the base booklet. Alicia McCoy and Sammy Watkins right there. There's an auto, a Desmond Lewis, number to 199 for the Bills. And then we got a down and dirty. Dang, nice. Down and dirty, number to 25. You guys can see that. That's Sammy Watkins. This was a Buffalo. Not too dirty. Looks pretty clean. Down and dirty Sammy Watkins, number to 25. So not too horrible. And then Desmond Lewis, number to 199. Then we'll take another look at that. I didn't open up that. Oh, well, it's in that one's in the case. And that's what the base book looks like. So this was a whole Buffalo box. Every card, look at that. Every card was the Buffalo Bills. Ain't that something? If that was a live buy, you never seen that. If that was a live box break for the Bills, somebody would have had this whole box for, shoot, probably less than $10. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. We're going to probably do some more. Hopefully get that Gypsy Queen soon. But we're going to be doing a lot more. And
thanks for watching.